Good morning, third graders. So today we're going to be working on a new reading strategy. We're going to work on it all week. It's called cause and effect. So this is going to be helpful when we read that, so we can understand how to better sequence. We can understand why events happen, and we can understand what happens because of certain characters' actions. Okay? So the cause is a reason or an action. So it's when you do something. An effect is the result of that action. Okay, so we can think about it as the cause is why something happened, and the result is what happened because of it. So for example, if I go over and I turn the light switch off, that would be a cause. What would be the effect if I flipped the light switch? What would happen because of that? The lights would turn off. So that's a very simple example of cause and effect. I flip the light switch, the lights turn off. So some signal words that we have to be able to understand when there's a cause and effect happening as we read. I'm going to show you these. The biggest one is so. And I'm going to show you the example down below in just a minute. But so is a very common conjunction. So remember, when we have a comma conjunction in one of those compound sentences, that is showing that there's a cause and effect happening. Another one is after. So a sequencing and signal word, after. So after I hit the light switch, the lights turn off. Another little phrase is as a result. Okay. So as a result of turning the light or flipping the light switch, the lights turned off. Another common, these are two words you can see, if, then. So if I hit this light switch, then the lights will turn off. Another one is since. Since. So since I hit the light switch, the lights turned off. Do you see how all of these can show cause and effect in different ways? Because. So because I hit the light switch, the lights turned off. And last one is therefore. I hit the light switch, therefore the lights turned off. So these are some signal words that when we read, we can look for to see if we are seeing a cause and effect in a story or in a nonfiction book as well. We can also use these when we write to show cause and effect. These are also sequencing words in some ways, right? Especially after, as a result, therefore. They show the order in which things can happen. Now, I'm going to show you an example I have here of a cause and effect. Let's see, we're going to highlight. So, the gardener watered the flowers daily, so the flowers grew. Well, let's first look for the signal word. What's the signal word in this sentence? The gardeners watered the flowers daily, so the flowers grew. Hopefully you're saying to your screen that the signal word is so. So the waters grew. Okay, and look we even have a comma conjunction, just like we've worked on in the past. All right, so let's figure out what is the cause and the effect in this sentence. The gardener watered the flowers daily. Is that why something happened or what happened? Let's keep reading and see. So the flowers grew. So let's think about it this way. What caused the flowers to grow? The gardener watering them daily, right? So the effect that happened, what happened because of the cause, is the flowers grew. So the effect is the flowers grew. That is what happened. The cause, what caused, that's why I said it that way, what caused the flowers to grow? Well, the gardener watered them daily, or watered the flowers daily. So the gardener watered the flowers daily, that's our cause. So is our signal word. And the flowers grew is the effect of the flowers getting watered daily. Okay, you're going to practice this a lot this week with me and independently, so I hope that was a good introduction, and let me know if you have any questions.